We are so excited to share this new offering with you, 300 Connel Avenue in the University District of Missoula, Montana. Danny, share some details. This is a special one.
It is really special. So the home was built in 1921. It sits on a corner lot that's just about 8,200 square feet. The home is just under 4,000 square feet, offering 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms.
Let's take a look.
Welcome to the primary suite. This room is much larger than your typical primary suite in the university area. It gets tons of natural light and has these gorgeous vaulted ceilings.
We really love the guest suite that's also on the top floor. Vaulted ceilings, tons of character, such an adorable room. Wrapping up our tour today in my favorite space of this house, this outdoor living area is absolutely stunning.
Thank you for coming to 300 Connell. I'm Danny Moore.
I'm Maddux. We're with Engel and Volkers. For more information, give us a call.